Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome to Cook and Share. 3 flavors I love in food are chicken, coconut milk, and lime, of course with some veggies. So I put together this dish, a creamy coconut lime chicken. Absolutely delicious. You can make it in 30 minutes, serve it up with some rice, whatever you like. So let me walk you through this and let's get going. So I'm going to begin by adding some oil to a preheated pan, and this is kind of over medium-high heat. After that, add in 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and we're just going to fry these until they're cooked through. Of course, we're going to season this up with some salt, and if you know me, my all-time favorite spice, ground black pepper. Give it a stir, just to get things mixed up, like me. Once the chicken is brown, I'm going to add in, I'd say about a handful of green beans, 3 cloves of chopped garlic, a shallot, about a tablespoon of ginger, and a red bell pepper. And we're going to saute this for about 3 to 5 minutes until the veggies are tender crisp. And just look at this color, guys. Just beautiful. And it smells so good. Now I'm going to add in a 400 milliliter can of coconut milk. This is light coconut milk, but you can use one of your choice. So we'll bring this to a boil, and then I'm going to turn down the heat and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. After about 15 or 20 minutes, I'm just going to squeeze some lime into it just for that acidity. And there you have it, our creamy coconut lime chicken. Absolutely delicious. It smells so good. So let's plate this up. Oh, just look at this. And I got to get some of that juice in there too. I can't help myself. I'm going to drizzle more of that delicious goodness over the top. Let's go ahead and give this a taste test. Guys, this is to die for. You gotta make this. Quick recipe. You know, I love the coconut, I love the veggies, I love the chicken. So tender. Again, you gotta make this. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great stuff over there. Thanks for subbing and thanks for watching, and see you next time.